Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Instagram not showing date of reels. If you want to fix the issue, you need to consider some options. First, device compatibility. Ensure that your device meets the requirement for the latest version of Instagram. Older devices or operating system may not support all features. In the second option, update issues. Sometimes an update may not install properly. Try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Third option, account type. Make sure your account is not set to private if you want to access certain features. Additionally, some features may be limited to personal accounts rather than business accounts or creator accounts. In the fourth step, region restrictions. Certain feature may not be available in own regions. Check if Reels is available in your country. In the fifth step, app permissions. Ensure that Instagram has the necessary permissions, such as access to your camera and microphone, as this can affect functionality. Sixth step, clearing cache. If you are using Android, try clearing the app cache. Go to settings, then go to apps, then go to Instagram, then go to Instagram storage, then click on clear cache. In the seventh step, check for further updates. Sometime a newer version may be released shortly after the initial update to bug fixes. Check for updates again. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.